Hi, my name is Sergey Savastuk, and today I'm going to be talking about finding the trending in bots with a high probability of success. Okay, so this is our legal information which you can find on our website. And today I'm going to be talking about trends in the home watch list, group trends in AI screener, and this is a new feature, trends in AI robots, which is exciting because people trying to find the bots which they can focus on. And now we have a really new exciting page for that purpose. Okay. So you can also find us on YouTube, where we're going to place this video, on a Facebook, Twitter, or daily, for free, actually, daily buy sell signals. Okay. So when you click on home, actually you get at this particular moment on this trending AI robots. And that means so far it is default. The previous default was a home watch list. Don't get confused. Nothing is lost. But it is kind of interesting. So you can find with another click trending stocks, which been picked up by our AI. And we started this page just recently. And they started placing these stocks on this page with the records. Okay. So for instance, this one was placed on December 25th, 2025. And you have access to this page also. And this one, December, as you can see, this was December 9th. So that means, and it is 57% already up since then. So as you can see, it's pretty exciting list with a lot of good picks, which our AI is making on different dates. Okay. Uh, and here is a feature, how to move this stock, for instance, from trending stocks to home watch list. That's your home watch list where you can add whatever you want. So for instance, this is my home watch list. And then this is December. This is, let's say, April 17, 2025, 140 something percent. So you can really make records. What was May 16, 2023, 200%, Goldman Sachs. So it is your record. And these peaks on trending stocks is our record. Okay. And then if you want to add, let's say, Planet Labs, so you can do like that, click here, and let's say, send me this and this recommendations, save, and now this PL should show up in the, you see, now I have it, okay? And before I didn't. So that's how exciting it is. So then, trending AI robots, okay? So you click another thing, and then you get to this list. As you can see, we explain why we believe it is good for now. So this list are going to be changing once a week, and you will see different titles, different themes. So we believe semiconductors doing great recently. And let's say you want to look at what's going on. You click here, boom, you immediately get and view how it's been trading. As you can see, it's trading KLA-10 core quite a lot, applied materials, and you see all these green positions. It's kind of really impressive that semiconductors are moving well. You look at this column, so the performance is good. And these are the, we call it kind of a multi-agent. So it is what? Lam Research, Teradyne, Applied Materials, KLA-10 core, core, ACML. So these are the positions, and it's trading. Okay, and these are the description of machine learning tools and everything. What are the models? Okay, So if you want to look at other opportunities, so you can look at this one, for instance, also in semiconductors. Aerospace is doing great, okay? So then these are bots for small caps, ETFs, 90% win rate, and they're really good for January, okay? And then lately, oil and rare earth minerals, single agents for best returns or profit factor. Single agent, what is a single agent? It means that we give you only one position. So for instance, this one, KJC, it's something that relates to gold. And let's look how it performs. Okay, so far it's okay. It is, but it trades only one ticker. Okay, so we'll go back and look at what else we have. So we have, you see, AI volatility bots in dips. So currently, you see, some of our guys say, okay, if it has been for a long time and like either in a dip or in the flat, then it's gonna go up. But when it's gonna go up, we don't know. But you just have to watch. Okay, and these are really good opportunities with the 2x, 3x ETFs. So that means if S&P moves 1x, then these ETFs move 2x or 3x, and then we're trading with these agents. So for instance, if we look at the SOXL, it is 3x on the semiconductors, and let's look how it performs. Again, no open trades, okay? So I just gave you an overview, but now let's go back and look in details how you can use this robot. So robots give you the signals when to buy and when to sell. And it gives you a lot of descriptions, a lot of statistics, and trades which you can follow. And these are the full statistics, okay? So let's look at this. First of all, yellow line, it is the S&P 500, and this description you already seen. But the green line, how we, with this board, outperform S&P 500 quite a lot lately. So that's the reason it is in a recommended pool, okay? So annualized return 112%. And as you can see, the huge difference between average trade profit and the loss, and 73% win rate. Okay, that's a really good thing. Profit factor 4.4, and so it's been doing great for the past 167 days on the record. Okay. So that's how you can view it and then get these records. And as you can see, this is the equity line, almost really small drawdowns, but doing great. If you want to trade with a different amount, you just move it here. Let's say here you trade 150,000, then it calculates for you the size and how many shares do you have to buy for this type of a bot. Okay. So how do we, now the question, okay, you're going to say, okay, how do we get these themes which are moving, obviously from reading, but also we use this screener, okay, for that purpose. And as you can see here, as I said, a group trends, okay, and as you can see here, the themes. Additionally, to what is going on, let me increase it a little bit. So, Wall Street, obviously, should be doing well. Insurance, doing great. So let's me do it like that. I'm gonna sort by. Okay, so what is the Casino's doing great last week. Okay. Uh, container packaging. Okay, so that's how. What if we look on the who's doing well? Again, Kazin is doing really superb, unbelievable. Okay, um, uh, and other topics. So for the good use of our website, it's enough to have a good subscription on the robots, and then you get the screener for free. Okay? So that covers my topic. I try to be as short as possible. Lately, people don't watch long videos, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and good luck.